Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is for everybody who has a tight garage. And if you're living in Toronto, I think every single garage is pretty tight. And if you are getting in a tight space, you're always worried when you open up your car door, it's gonna get dinged, it's gonna get scratched. If you look at the pictures behind me, there is a cool little trick that you can use using pool noodles. And if you have pool noodles, you can help prevent those dings of occurring. So what you need to do is, obviously, if there are any pipes, like one of the pictures on the side, it shows what they did is they cut the pool noodle in half and they covered the pipe and they secured it to the wall. You can also paint the pool noodles if you want to just blend in with the rest of the garage, or if you want to just leave them with flashy colors, you can do that as well. The other one is just, on the other side, is just for general dings and bangs. You can leave a full pool noodle and put it up against the wall and secure it with some screws, or if you want, you can cut it in half and do the same thing. But the idea is it's supposed to prevent you from slamming that door open against the garage and denting your car, which nobody wants. I hope you enjoyed this tip. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.